Hello friends, how are you? I'm feeling so much better today. I think it was just like a one day really bad vertigo, and then I have some lingering vertigo. Like when I got out of bed today, the room was spinning again, but then I just managed to get up and I didn't feel as crappy as yesterday. I texted my personal trainer because I had a training session today, and I let them know, and they told me that's fine. Drink electrolyte water. And so that's what I'm doing right now, and it tastes really good. This is the Ultima one. I bought it's like a mocktail. This one is like a Cosmo one. There's also like a pina colada one. I'll show you guys later. But these are tasty. Justin had me drink a bunch of these after I told him what my trainer said. I honestly think that this vertigo that I'm having, I truly think it's vertigo because there's nothing else. I'm not having stomach issues. It's not food poisoning, which I could have maybe thought it was. It's not food poisoning. I think maybe it has to do with hormones, like hormonal, perhaps getting my period soon, but that's never happened before. I've never had vertigo with that. And so I was thinking, I think it has to do with the shift with like getting menopause one day, like premenopausal symptoms. Because when I think back, I always think back on my mom and her experiences. And around this time, her late 30s, mid to late 30s is when she started having really bad headaches. And then she suffered from really, really, really bad vertigo that she couldn't drive. And I didn't realize that till this morning. I woke up and I'm like, wait, my mom had these issues. And it was around the premenopausal time. So I think it might be a hereditary thing. I don't know. But it could be. But when I think about it, most definitely, I think it's like just premenopausal stuff, or I don't know. Anyways, I got a package I ordered from Olive Young. Korean skincare, especially sunscreen, is far more advanced, and so I want to keep using what I'm using, but they are making what's it called, Beauty of Joseon, my favorite sunscreen. They're making them create like a formula for the US, so you can still get the original one on Olive Young. And so I want to show you guys a little haul. It's not a big one, it's just a small one. I just wanted 4 of these. My 4 Olive Young Beauty of Joseon sunscreens. I've told you about this before. You can't get them on Amazon anymore. If you get the ones on Amazon or anywhere else, it's the different formula one. And so I want the original formula, like the SPF 50, not the SPF 40. And these last forever. I like the Elemis sunscreen, but that's like $130 for a jar. This was like 20. I'll tell you the prices. Like I'll actually link everything if you guys are interested. This is like 20 something for 2. So I bought 4 because, you know, Olive Young, I think it's shipped from Korea. And so I wanted to just buy a 4-pack, like a 2-pack, so I could have 4 of these. And it just makes your skin glow. I put it all over my face and on my neck. I'm not working with them. I just want to keep using this because it's a really affordable sunscreen that I love, and we're gonna go on vacation soon, and I just want like a nice hot place, and so I just wanted some of my sunscreen. And then I got this, I guess is a little free sample because I didn't buy this. It's a Medicube Zero Pore Pad. And then this, I'm really excited about. I've heard great things about this Medicube. It's like a PDRN pink peptide serum. I heard it helps with like discoloration. Oh, sorry, if I see like a delivery, my eyes move towards there. It helps with discoloration. But I'm thinking I want to try it out and see if it's a dupe for my Clarins double serum, because you know my Clarins double serum is like really expensive. It's like $100 for a bottle. This was like a 2-pack for like 30, and it has like the same things, like anti-aging, this helping with discoloration, helping with glow. I'll let you know. And then the last thing I bought is this Beauty of Joseon eye serum. Dang, the sun just moved, sorry. The eye serum, and I love this eye serum. It lasts me like 6 months or even longer, because you just need a little bit to put underneath your eye. You've seen it in many of my videos. It's like the eye serum that I use now. And I also use the Bio Effect. Oh, dang, sunshine, I'm loving you. But my gosh, the Bio Effect EGF serum. It's so windy today. Justin's gone all day. He has a in-person meeting with his business coach, or I'll let you know who he is. He's really nice. I like him. His name is Daryl. And it's so funny because Justin and Daryl have been working together way before we moved to the Minnesota, and then he lives in Minnesota, so they can meet in person, which is really nice. It's his business coach, business advisor, and he's really good at what he does because Daryl has multiple businesses. He's so good at what he does, and like the proof is in the pudding. Like he's so successful, and he's such a good person. Like I liked watching the podcast with him and Justin, and I got to meet him at the book launch, and he's a really good guy. Like I told him, I was like, that podcast made me cry. It was so beautiful, the way like you just look into like the person's background and their emotions and things that drive them to really know more about like the business. Yeah. Anyways, y'all, let me show you my little the electrolyte water, because they are yummy. Keep the water stuff here, the electrolyte water. Justin likes to drink this, the emergency one. This is what I was, sorry my voice. This is what I was chatting about. This is the cranberry Cosmo that I mixed with my water. It has electrolytes in it. Strawberry margarita is really good too. Pina colada is really good. I get these on Amazon. They are tasty, and every single flavor is really good. The last flavor that I tried was the cranberry Cosmo, and I thought I wasn't going to like it because I'm not really a fan of cranberry. But let me tell you, this ended up being my favorite of all the ones. And I thought that strawberry margarita was going to be my fave, but I think it's cranberry, which is so weird. But yeah, I still have the jam, some of them that Jessica gave me during the holidays. I try to drink this detox tea like after dinner sometimes because it helps if you have IBS. I'm not claiming that like as a doctor or anything, just a regular girl who's trying to be regular Sally Sue, you know what I'm saying? And then over here we still have all the regular stuff that I had from the holidays. We still have some of this from the holidays. We have a lot of hot cocoa bombs from the holidays still, and the teas that we drink regularly. Like I drink spearmint tea almost every day, and then the detox every night. And then hojicha is Justin's favorite. And then this sleep tea is so yummy. Like you don't need to add sugar. I don't add sugar to any of my teas. You don't need to add honey. You don't need to add anything. It just is so delicious on its own. Hey, Char Banks. Charlie's helping me fold all this laundry. Girl, do you ever have this problem where you're like sports bra inserts fall out? Charlie, you don't ever have to worry about that. You are exquisite, just perfect, just the way you are. You don't have to wear sports bras. You have the softest fur. Look at the crooked tail. Like I don't think you can feel it or really see it, but it's crooked and it's so cute. He was born that way. At first I thought, oh my gosh, did his previous, we got him at 6 months, but did someone like have him before and like close the door on him or something? My little angel, look at him. He goes in his little corner. Nice fireplace going. Oh, little baby, I love you. You're my little papush. Why are you facing the wall? Oh my goodness. If you're Filipino, have you guys ever had to face the wall? That was like a form of punishment that I would watch my uncles do to my cousins. He would make them face the wall when they got in trouble. My parents never did that, but my mom, she tugged on our ear though. Alrighty, I got my craving. I got a cheeseburger, Impossible Meat, and it came with Brussels sprouts or fries. I chose Brussels sprouts, but tell me why it's kind of burnt though. Like, I tried one, it's good, but like, why is it burnt? This is good. It hit the spot. I don't know why I was craving it. Wouldn't it be funny if my vertigo is actual pregnancy? That'd be so funny. Like, it would be a miracle because Justin got a vasectomy, but it's happened before. People have gotten pregnant even when their partner has had a vasectomy. I don't really want any more kids. I'm gonna be so honest with you. I'm at that age where my kids are older now, and I'm not like on purpose trying to have more. That's why Justin got a vasectomy. But I mean, if a miracle baby want to come through, please do. Hello friends, how are you? I'm here with my little bestie. It's the next day. I'm feeling so much better. I think, girl, I don't know what I'm thinking, but I think it might be connected to me getting my period. because I read about it and that might be the case. Yeah, whatever the case, I feel a little better, but not like all the way better. This is the last HelloFresh meal Justin made. This looks actually good. Hello friends. I vlogged earlier today. We filmed a video. Oh, Justin and I filmed a video with a brand. And then I filmed unbag my groceries. Kids are playing. Justin's doing a bunch of editing. And I'm making breakfast for dinner. Pancakes Saturday night. Some eggs. And the boys were so excited. They're like, what? Dinner? For dinner? And I was like, yeah, let's switch it up instead of Pancake Sunday. This is C's chocolate chips that I ordered from the C site. I'm telling you, whew, it makes a huge difference. It is delightful. It makes everything yummier. Cookies. Ooh, I'm gonna save some of these to make chocolate covered strawberries because I got these big ones from Cub, the grocery store, and family's coming over tomorrow. So I was like, ooh, that's a good idea. It's sheets day. The duvet too. Justin's gonna help me because I have a hard time putting the duvet back on. Thank you, handsome. I knew you would do it because I can't. We always have the giggles before bed. Patience, please. Oh yeah, that's what we need to learn. Hello friends, we are cleaning the house. Family's coming over for lunch. Oh girl, this stove needed some loving. Miss building a squirrel house thingy. Girl, this thing is hard to scrub. This one is kind of going away, but girl, I only got an hour and I haven't showered yet. I scrubbed the toilet, I mopped, vacuumed, you know, all those things, but haven't made the appetizer or any of that. But this thing is bothered. I guess I could just leave it be and just go shower. Girls, I gave up. Okay, I gave up. I'm gonna have to deal with it another day because I need a shower. They're coming soon. I have a new air freshener. This is lemon zest, lemons, cloves, cinnamon, and then I'm gonna simmer that for like 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract, and it'll have the house smelling pretty fresh and clean. Alrighty, appetizers are good to go, and we got some drinks laid out. Alrighty, so we have the chocolate covered strawberries here. And then I also made chocolate covered bananas. I'm gonna freeze that because it's better frozen with some peanuts that I chopped up. Anyways, I added more because I know Sophia likes these chips. And then I added this French onion dip. I just cut up some green onions to make it look kind of cute. And yeah, that's our appetizer. That's it. And I have these little tongs because, you know, don't be grabbing with your hands now. Good morning, friends. I worked out and now I'm in a car wash because my car is looking janky. I love my little subscription of my car wash. I can do this whenever. Hello friends, how are you? Can I just say I'm grateful, so grateful that I feel better. Like the vertigo just out of nowhere went away. I told my instructor, I was like, oh, I'm sorry I missed Friday because I had vertigo. And so I didn't do any workouts that involved me being on the floor and getting back up again today, but I still trained. And then I went to get my car wash because I had like that subscription. It was actually, girl, it was my first time getting a car wash because Justin usually does it for me. But I was like, no, let me just do that real quick. And I didn't even know how to put my car in neutral. I had to ask. But I did. I mean, when do you ever need to put your car in neutral? I never in my life. I reverse drive. That is it. Hello, my friends. I went to Sephora because I needed to get some stuff that I ran out of, like my foundation stick and what else. They ran out. Like, oh my gosh, the lighting's terrible here. Hold on. Is it better? Yeah. So they didn't have my foundation stick that I used, the Amicole one. So when I went to Sephora, let me show you a little haul. I only bought 3 stuff, or 4. I got the Dr. Jart BB cream and said, we'll see, because I like, you know, like a sheer coverage. And then, you know, I love the double serum by Clarins. I'm running low, so I had to buy more. and they didn't have the big size. They had just this. This is all they had left, and so I got it. And then I bought the NARS concealer. I opened it up already to look at it. Girl, there was a lip balm, and I shared it in my stories, and then it's gone. Girl, I better find it. Guess what? I found it. Oh my gosh, this Laneige lip balm. It's got color to it. I actually put it on already. It smells insane. It smells, sorry, I'm like obsessed with the smell. Laneige know what they're doing. Like, they really know what they're doing when it comes to the smell. But why isn't it like a slanted applicator like I'm used to? Like, you know, look at this. It's a different applicator. I'm not saying nothing, because it actually works. It works for like the color and all the things. Anyways, when I was struggling with vertigo, I remember on Friday, Jacob did tell me he was going to be student of the week next week, which is this week, Monday. I forgot because I had vertigo, and that was taking up my whole life. And then yesterday we had family over, you know, and I was just struggling to survive. Let's be so honest. When you have vertigo, everything is like so difficult to like move your body, to move your head. Like, I am so grateful for my health today, okay? But I have forgot about student of the week for Jacob, and you needed to have like photos. And so today I'm at Walgreens parked in front because I got a prescription to pick up, and also I printed out 20 photos of Jacob, and I did it online, and then they texted me and said it was ready. So perfect timing. Hello my friends, I'm here with my after school babies. I got Caribou with them. Let me go show my babies. Do you see them? Liam got a smoothie. Jakey got a croissant. And it's nice and heated, buddy? Yeah. How's your smoothie, buddy? Refreshing. So these are all the pictures that I ordered through Walgreens. Jakey can pick them. He only has to pick 10, but I gave him over 20 to look through. I hope he picks this one of the 10, because this is so cute. Oh my goodness. I love that one, Jacaroni. Which one you gonna pick? Which one? Yeah, so pick 10, honey, and then we'll put it in a baggie and you get to share. I got my little Chef Boyardee. He's gonna help me make dinner tonight. Chicken lomi soup. Yummy in my tummy. And then we forgot to eat this HelloFresh garlic bread, so we're gonna eat this too. I love having older kids because look, they're out here helping me. Okay, helping with dinner. I like it, I like it. This is my chicken lomi soup. It's so hot that you can barely see it because of the steam, but I love it a lot. It's just me and my little buddy.
Green.
What color, honey?
Green.
Green. We're playing Uno. Oh, sorry. Why did I show you my card? Here we go.
My turn?
Yeah, Liam is at a Boy Scout meeting. His first time with a bigger group. 2. No. 1. And I did my press-on nails for the week.